Hello students, in this video I am discussing about the factors affecting the productivity. Okay, there are two main factors, that is first one is the controllable or internal factors, and second one is uncontrollable or external factors. Okay, so in case of controllable or internal factors, there are eight factors. Okay, so which affect the productivity. The first one is a product, second one is a plant or a equipment, and the third one is a technology, fourth one is a material, and fifth one is a work methods and processes, sixth one is energy resources and power supply, and seventh one is human factors, and eighth one is management style. Okay, in case of external factors or uncontrollable factors, uh, first one is changes in economic situation, second one is social changes and attitudes, third one is natural resources, fourth one is a government policy, fifth one is infrastructure. Okay, so here we will discuss about internal factors. Okay, so that is controllable factors. So okay, all the factors, okay, one second. Okay, all the factors are those which exist within the organization and that can be controlled to a good extent in order to enhance the partial productivity measures as well as total productivity. Okay, so first one is a product. So the product is an actual output of any organization. The product is purely judged by its usefulness. If the product is properly designed so as to increase its usefulness without increasing its cost, it goes along a long way to increase the productivity. Okay, so the second factor is plant and equipment. Okay, this play a prominent role in enhancing the productivity. If the plant and the equipments are properly maintained to avoid the breakdown and reduce the idle time, productivity that can be increased. Proper attention has to be always paid to the utilization, is modernization cost, investments, etc. of a plant and equipment. Okay, so and the third one is a technology. Okay, so technology, innovative and latest technology improves the productivity to a great extent. Automation and information technology helps to achieve the improvements in material handling, storage, communication systems, and quality control. The various aspects of organization that can be affected by the technology in search of higher productivities are first one is the size and capacity of a plant, second one is the quality of input and its timely supply, and third one is a production planning and control, fourth one is a repair and maintenance, fifth one is a waste reduction, sixth one is efficient material handling. Okay, so the fourth one is materials. Some industries spend more than 60% of cost of a product on materials used to make it. Therefore, the efficient management of materials and it is reduced consumption brings back to considerable improvement in productivity. The factors to be considered are first one is selection of quality of material and right material, and control of wastage and scrap, and third one is effective control of stocks and EOQs, and development of alternative sources and supplies. Okay, and the fifth one is work methods and processes, improving the ways in which the work is done improves the productivity. So work study, method study, and other industrial engineering techniques to improve the work methods, which in turn enhances the productivity. The processes which are advanced and less time consuming also increases the productivity. Okay, and the sixth one is energy resources and the power supply. This is truly a critical area for any industry, especially in our country, where there is a shortage of power supply almost all over the country. Optimum energy utilization and reduced wastage increases the productivity uh, tremendously. Okay, and the seventh one is human factors. It is always employees who can contribute the maximum to the productivity. The productivity is basically dependent on a human competence and skill. The various factors like education, training, and experience, aptitude, motivation levels that can be contribute to the ability to work efficiently and influence the productivity. And the last one is a management style. Okay, the work culture in any organization, it is said trickles down from the top. The management style immensely influences the working class and the productivity levels they can achieve. A flexible and dynamic management style helps in achieving the higher productivity. Okay, and this is about the controllable or internal factors. Okay, thank you.